When it comes to robotic floor cleaners, most models offer only minor upgrades that barely move the needle. The YEEDI M14 Plus breaks that pattern with a bold leap forward in innovation, performance, and user-focused design. Featuring the industry-leading Ozmo Roller instant self-washing mopping technology, advanced edge cleaning and obstacle navigation systems, and hygiene-enhancing features, the M14 Plus isn't just another robot vacuum, it's a powerful, intelligent cleaning solution built for the modern home. Special thanks to YEEDI for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in the M14 Plus, check out the link in the video description. At the heart of the M14 Plus is the Ozmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping System, a true game changer that outperforms traditional dual disc or flat vibrating mop technologies. Unlike conventional mops that smear dirt around, the Ozmo Roller system constantly cleans itself while scrubbing floors. With 200 operations per minute, the mop goes through a precise 4-stage cycle. Spraying clean water through 16 nozzles, high-speed roller mopping, squeezing out wastewater, and recovering dirty water using a high-pressure air pump. This ensures the mop never drags dirty water back into the floor. Real-time mop cleaning means that sticky kitchen messes, think ketchup or soy sauce, are no match for the M14. It delivers consistent pressure and cleanliness without streaks or water stains, making it safe even for delicate wooden floors. Compared to typical robotic cleaners with ground pressure of around 250 pascals, the M14 Plus boasts a whopping 4,000 pascals, ensuring a deep and effective clean every time. Navigation is often where robotic cleaners fall short, but YEEDI's AVI 3D 3.0 Omni Approach technology redefines what's possible. Unlike robots that merely avoid obstacles, the M14 Plus sees and understands its surroundings with human-like precision. Using deep sensing visual modules and millimeter-accurate dual-structured light sensors, the M14 not only avoids obstacles like toys and shoes, but also follows their contours for edge-adjacent cleaning. It adapts dynamically to movement and can distinguish between people, pets, carpets, cables, and more, offering real-time navigation adjustments. Especially noteworthy is its smart carpet strategy, identifying carpet zones to either avoid them during mopping or switch into powerful vacuum mode with automatic mop lifting. The carpet first and carpet deep cleaning modes allow tailored multi-pass cleaning for both vacuum only and deep carpet coverage. Cleaning close to walls, skirting boards, and furniture edges is where many robot vacuums falter, not the YEEDI M14 Plus. With True Edge 2.0 adaptive edge cleaning, both the roller mop and side brush extend and retract to hug corners and edges tightly, ensuring no dust or debris is left behind. The advanced 3D edge sensors and front structured light help the robot stay close to boundaries without causing damage or missing spots. This results in a truly spotless room from center to edge. The M14 Plus is paired with a next-generation all-in-one self-cleaning base station that's smaller yet more powerful than ever. Despite its compact design, it includes hot water mop washing, 75 degrees Celsius, hot air drying, 45 degrees Celsius, automatic emptying, dirtiness detection, auto water refill and drainage, and even a self-cleaning function. Designed for long-term convenience, it only needs manual disassembly and washing twice a year. You'll spend less time maintaining your robot and more time enjoying a cleaner home. Pet owners and those dealing with long hair know exactly how quickly vacuum brushes get tangled. That's where ZeroTangle 3.0 anti-tangle technology comes in. With the triple V-shaped system, angled bristles, spiral rollers, and comb teeth, it actively gathers and removes hair without wrapping or clogging. Combined with a cyclone-directed anti-tangle roller brush and a suction power of up to 18,000 pascals, the M14 Plus makes cleaning hair a non-issue. The YEEDI M14 Plus offers adaptive cleaning tailored to your flooring. From marble to hardwood and various carpet types, its smart system adjusts water flow, pressure, and cleaning modes to suit the material. It protects delicate floors by avoiding friction and water damage while still ensuring a thorough clean. This level of customization makes it perfect for mixed floor homes or rooms with high-value surfaces. In homes with children and pets, cleanliness isn't just about appearance, it's about health. The M14 Plus features full-length antibacterial and deodorizing systems, including a nano platinum cleaning liquid with zero additive formula certified safe for babies and pets. The 14-day long sterilization not only cleans floors, but also prevents odor buildup and microbial growth inside the device. The YEEDI M14 Plus seriously steps things up when it comes to floor cleaning. It uses YEEDI's latest roller mop system, which gives your floors a much deeper clean than typical spinning mops. No streaks, no patches left behind, just consistently shiny floors. It's also a solid vacuum with strong suction that handles pet hair and debris without getting tangled up. The smart navigation uses AI to map your home accurately, so it moves efficiently and doesn't miss spots. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just want to cut down on daily cleaning, this robot handles it really well. And for what it offers, especially with that advanced mop tech, the price is actually really competitive. Bottom line, it's smart, powerful, and a great value. The M14 Plus is one of the top robot cleaners out there right now. Definitely worth a look.